I started the Millennium Network to involve more people in the work of the Clinton Foundation, and especially to give young people a chance to do something about their future. In a world where there are more ways than ever to make a difference in the lives of others, I believe this generation has more power than ever and therefore more responsibility to take on some of the greatest challenges of our time. At Millennium Network events, you can meet other young activists and philanthropists and learn how to get involved in causes you care about. These events have helped us to strengthen health systems around the world, to reduce economic inequality and increase opportunity, to fight climate change, and to ensure that American children have a healthier future. I'm always inspired by the people I meet at our events and by their commitment to a shared future. I hope to see you at our next event in Washington, D.C., and learn how you too can support and share in this important work.